All right, you're welcome to Heroic Online Academy. This is to introduce to you PHPMySQL Fundamentals. So this is a course that you need. You need so much if you are interested in learning back-end web development. If you want to learn how to code the back end of a website, you need this course. Okay? If you're a beginner, if you know nothing about back-end web development, okay, but you want to learn it, this is a course for you. Okay, this is a beginner's guide on how to commence coding the back end of a website, how to make a website dynamic and functional with PHP. Okay, all right. So I told you that a website is divided into two: the front end and the back end of a website. All right. So let's say if you've learned front end and you want to learn back end so that you have a complete knowledge of both, then this is a course for you. Actually, PHP make up about 80% of all websites in the world. Okay, that's about 80% of the websites across the world we are coded with PHP. Just to tell you how powerful PHP is. Okay, so like I said, what you will learn, that you are going to learn how to make a website dynamic, functional with PHP programming language. All right, then what you are required to learn first, or to have before you commence this training, is that you should have the knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Okay, you also need a personal computer, okay, and the knowledge of how to use computer, keyboard, and mouse. Okay, now if you don't have any knowledge of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, I think you need it. Okay, but you need basic knowledge. You mustn't be an expert in them, because you are not you can concentrate on the back end if you want to. Okay, but as a matter of, as far as you are going into web development, I think you need HTML, CSS, and JavaScript as a basic knowledge of them. Okay, all right, to be able to handle PHP well. Okay, I am not saying that you can't do without them, but they are fundamental. Okay, having the basic knowledge is great. All right. Now, PHP is a popular programming language mostly used for coding the backend of a website. Over 80% of websites across the world are powered by PHP. Okay, some popular websites coded with PHP include Facebook. Facebook is extremely popular, right? So Facebook was actually powered with PHP. WordPress. Most people are using WordPress to create websites. WordPress itself is created with PHP. It's powered by PHP. The back end powered by PHP. Wikipedia. I use Wikipedia, the online encyclopedia, to search for stuff. Okay, which is powered by PHP. Slack. Okay, and others. Etc. So many popular popular websites powered by PHP. Just to tell you how popular this course is. Okay. If you would like to learn back-end or full-stack web development, PHP is a great choice. Okay? Then the nature of our training is online. But before we continue with this, please let me quickly show you the website we created with PHP. Okay? Let's start with this. Our online academy. All right. Quickly, let's log into the back-end. So you see the back-end of this website. Okay, we're going to log into the back-end. Okay, we are still logged out. Okay, let's log out first so that we log in successfully. Now let's log into the backend. You see, we are going to log into the dashboard of this website. Okay, so you see, the PHP powered the backend, right? When we log in, see that we are now in the back end of this website. So you see how all these are. Okay, you see the academy, where we work on the academy, all the courses, how to insert the course. We can click here, then we enter details of the course, then we insert the course, and a lot of things. We have frequently asked questions in case if you want to add more. Okay, so you see all these are powered by PHP. Okay, you can log out when you are done. That's the back end. okay, of this website. Let me also show you this one. Let me maybe go to our old academy and log into the dashboard of our old academy. So you see how it is. This is our old academy powered by PHP as well. Let's log into the ambassadors dashboard. Okay. All right. You see, we are now logging in all this software. You see, we use PHP, we use JavaScript, we use jQuery, all of them put together, Ajax, JSON, and all. So you see the back end of this website as well, powered by PHP. See, so just to show you that PHP is awesome, and it's a programming language I will strongly advise you to learn. All right. Actually, there are some other programming languages that are recently invented that are also highly recommended that you learn. But you know that since PHP has, since over 80% of websites are already built with PHP, see, if you learn PHP, you stand the chance of being among people that can maintain those websites. Like if you're employed by a company to maintain a website, I mean, there's a likely, there's this likelihood that the website is going to be a PHP website. Okay, so if you have no knowledge of PHP, you won't be able to maintain the website. Okay, so you see that the PHP is actually indispensable if you are planning to work for people or even create stuff for yourself. So that's by the way. Let's continue. Yeah, our training is online. We have hundreds of tutorial videos in different programming languages in our website. So this training we are going to take is online. Okay, it's not a physical class. So we have hundreds of tutorials uploaded in our website. So once you register, once you make payment and register, you are going to have lifetime access to the course. Okay, all our paid tutorial videos are downloadable. So we made all the videos to be downloadable. Okay, you can download the videos and learn offline. The reason is this: we don't want you to spend so much data watching online all the time, and we also don't want you to struggle with the internet connection. So once you download the tutorials, you can comfortably watch the tutorial and practice with it offline, thereby saving yourself with the stress of internet connectivity issue and all. You understand? And you know, most online training are online, completely online. You don't download their courses, but we try our best to make our own downloadable for you. Let me just show you one of the how to download a course here, just to show you what we are talking about. Let me log out from here. Okay, I will log out from here, and then I will log into the academy, our academy, and show you. Let's go to the old academy. So I will log into one of the courses here. Let's log into PHP. No, we're talking about PHP here. This is PHP here. We are going to enter our email and log in. Okay, so you see this is a PHP classroom. So you see one of the tutorial videos here. Okay, if you click on any of this, you see the videos that are associated with it. See the video, then look at the button here. You can download it if you want. Once you click on download button here, then it will start downloading for you. Okay, so you see we made all the courses downloadable for you. Okay, so you can once the download finishes, you can have access to the course. Okay, but just know that right now we are in the local computer. You see, this is a local server we are using, so it won't download in the local computer. But once I go online now, it will download comfortably. But just know that once you click on the button download, then you get it downloaded to your computer. Okay, so we try our best to make all our courses downloadable for you. All right. Okay, so that's it. Now, one more thing we do for our students is that we give our students lifetime mentorship. As long as you are our students, we mentor you. If you have issues, you talk to us. You chat me on WhatsApp. This is my number. Okay, we talk about it. Then, if you are struggling with your course, but I try my best to make the course quite easy for you, so you are most likely not going to struggle. But if you encounter any issue at all, you chat me on WhatsApp. Then I will solve it for you. Okay, and the way I solve my students' problem is I ask them to send me a screenshot of the issue they are going through, they are struggling with. Okay, Then I'll look at the problem, look at the screenshot and solve it. Sometimes I also ask them to send me a CSV, not CSV please, a zip file of their code. Now I will look through the zip file, and from there I will find out where the problem is, and then make a video to solve the problem for you. I will make a new video to explain to them where they are getting it wrong. That way they are learning. Okay, they're learning, and they're learning fast. If I should open my YouTube channel now, you see where I posted some of the videos I made to solve my students' problem. Let me see if I can quickly open my YouTube channel to show you, so you see that I actually do my best to attend to my students. I don't just allow them to struggle on their own. Okay, now let's sign into YouTube. Let me do that quickly. I will show you what I'm talking about. Okay. So I'll show you at least one video where I was solving one of my students' challenge. Okay. All right, now let's go to my channel now. Okay, now when you look at these, okay, these ones are okay. See this one, solving my students' precious Ajax issue. So this student is having a Ajax problem. Okay, that is one of the causes is Ajax, so she's struggling with it. You see where I'm solving it. Let's play it. You see. So you see that I'm looking through the code. You see that? Just to show you that I actually solved my student problem. If you go through my channel, you are going to see lots and lots of videos I made to solve their problem. After making the video, I send the video to them. Once they go through the video, their problem is solved. So that way they are learning, and they are learning so wonderfully. Okay, so that said, this course is designed to be not actually a 6 months course. I have to edit this, please. It's not a 6 months course. PHP course for this particular course, you are going to finish it in 1 month at least. 1 month. Okay, you can even finish it within 2 weeks if you concentrate seriously on it. Okay, if you concentrate seriously on it, within 2 weeks you are done. Okay, all right. But if you're a busy person, you can finish it in 2 weeks. Okay, but just know that this course is designed to be it is designed to allow you study at your own pace. Okay, to allow you study at your own pace. All right. So if you're busy, you can still combine it with we can still combine whatever you're doing with this course, and you keep going. All right. So we do our best to encourage our students to use their skill to power their vision. You see, once you are in a programming field, if you truly want to make lots of money, you have to have a vision, and that is one of the things we do. We encourage our students to have vision and to push their dreams with that vision. Okay, and once you have this skill, this programming skill, you can actually use it to power your vision massively. Okay, and that is one of the wonderful benefit of being a programmer, of knowing how to code. Okay, you can imagine something, you create it, use it to power your vision. When you have a vision, you create a software to use it to power your vision. Okay, so and that is one of the reasons why we organize lots and lots of competitions between our students, to keep challenging them, okay, to create stuff for themselves. All right, just know that the world richest are most world richest are programmers. Bill Gates, talk about Bill Gates and many others. They are all programmers, and they are doing great. They are richest, okay, because they have vision and they created stuff with their programming skill, and they are now making money with it. Okay, so we do our best to encourage our students to be visionary as well. All right. We do that by encouraging our students to participate in competition. We organize competition. I usually donate money for my students to build project and present it. Okay, if you come here now, let me show you our website, because our students, they build projects, they present it in our website, in our talent development website, where people are going to come and vote for them. Okay, at the end of the voting process, some of them will win something. They win some money. I donate money for this from time to time. So if you visit, let's go to our talent development website, so you see. This is our talent development website. Okay, this is it. Let me go back to the beginning. You see, this is our talent harvest website, where students publish their job. Okay, so you see some of the videos presentation they made already. Okay, you can click on any of the presentation and you go through. You see, this is a presentation of the student, of one of my students.
Good day, viewer. My name is
You see that?
from Abia State, precise.
All right. See, this is the presentation of one of my students. Okay, so they publish their products, or rather their application they built, and the people will come and vote for them. So that way, I am kind of trying to encourage them to start creating stuff for themselves. So if you've joined my students, you are going to also participate in a project like this, and you also you keep improving. You know, in programming, if you are building project, you keep building projects, you keep improving faster. Okay, that is the nature of programming. Thank you so much. So we design our course to be so easy that even if you know nothing, even if you know nothing about programming, even if you know nothing about web development, you will surely find our tutorial very easy. Okay, this course is for everybody, both young and old. Okay, it is highly recommended for people between the ages of 10 and 60 years. Okay, however, even if you are less than 10 years but you're a smart kid, you can still participate in this course. All right, if you're above 60 and you are still strong, then you can also code. You can also learn from this course. Okay, it is mostly for those who would like to go into full stack or back end web development. So if you are planning to go into back end web development, this course is for you. If you want to go into full stack, this course is also for you. Know this, ICT courses are becoming extremely popular, especially after this COVID-19 era. So it's becoming extremely popular today. It has always been popular, but this time around it is exploding. Okay, coupled with the social media explosion, so it's now ICT is becoming extremely popular. So if you key into this, you're going to win. Okay, this course is for you. Just go ahead, order for the course. Once you order for the course, we take it off from there. Ordering for this course is easy. Just visit our website. Okay, you can chat me on WhatsApp to share the website link to you if you you don't get it. Okay, then you just you visit the website, and I believe since if you're watching this video, you're already in this website. Okay, all right. Then you order for the course. Click on add to cart. Then you can now proceed to buy. If you want to add more courses, click on add more courses. You can add more courses. Okay, add as many courses as you want. Then click on proceed to buy. Log in. Okay, then log in. Then log in, and there. Oh, I think I'm not getting my password correct. Okay, that is it. Just log in, then you complete your payment. You choose the payment method you want to use. Let's see, if you want to pay through bank transfer, then click here, then pay. Once you pay, you complete you complete the process, and that's all. If you complete the process now, it says successfully ordered. So this is how to order for the course. Once you order for the course, it will now instruct you to shut me up for other processes. So you register fully and commence training. So you see, it's quite easy. Okay, so that is by the way. So go ahead, order for the course. Let's get it started. Let's start from there. Thank you so much. By the way, I'm Uche Joe. I'm the founder of Heroic Universal Concept International.